2008 Olympic bronze medalist boxer Deontay Wilder of Tuscaloosa, Alabama has enjoyed his success and is still training for better opportunities to broaden his horizon in the boxing arena.
What made me want to become a boxer was, I thought I always loved the boxing from start, but I never thought my career would be involved in boxing. I thought boxing was, I labeled boxing as one of those things that if I would go pro, these are the sports I would turn pro in: football, basketball, or boxing.
With obstacles in his path, Wilder still manages to keep on pushing.
My little girl, she had, with her disorder, she had to go to different places, and that caused us to travel different places. So, I was stressed out in school again, had to go everywhere, grades dropping. So I, made a decision to stop there because I always felt like it was always an opportunity for me to go back to school, no matter how old I got.
As a trainer of an Olympic bronze medalist, Jay Dees is proud of Wilder and also encourages young adults to come in and train.
I think it's a very demanding sport, but if you want to do it, you can succeed in it. Because in boxing, there's weight class for whatever height and weight you are. You're going to fit within a certain weight class. You're going to fight people the same weight. So in boxing, you can be an individual. You can no matter how short, tall, heavy, or slim you are. There's a weight class for that. So I tell all the kids that boxing is a good sport for you if you're willing to sacrifice and put in a lot of hard work. You might be the next Deontay Wilder.
Young kids pursuing a career in boxing are influenced by Wilder.
Well, he does it for his daughter, and I got a lot of people I want to do it for. I want to make it out of Tuscaloosa one day and make some of my life, just like he's doing right now.
There really aren't any challenges as far as training Deontay. I wish I had a gym full of Deontays. He does everything he needs to do. As long as he knows it's going to help him, he does it, and he does it well, and he works just as hard if you're on top of him as you are if you're not even watching him. That's the great thing about him. He's the hardest worker you'll ever meet.
Whew. As you can see, it's not easy being Deontay Wilder. That's exactly why he's going to be the next champ. For BCN, I'm Orlando Morris.